Okay, so this is the Zeiss Ikon Contina that I have. It's second unit. It comes with this leather case, which I will set aside now. The light meter here, it works, but the cap is a bit loose because I don't know why it's loose, but this one if you lock it, like purposely just press it in like that. Only you can, yeah. Alright, so this is the front, the side, the other side, the downside, top side. So the meter itself, it works. You can see like the needle. So I close it and there's nothing. See? So it's good that the meter is working. On the other hand, the shutter fires. So yeah. Okay. So let me adjust. Focusing is smooth. Let me take out the back. Okay, so there is 1/300. Let's do 1/125. Okay, 1/60. Okay, 1/30. Okay, 1/15. One over 8. Okay, 1/4. Okay, half. For the slower speed, I think it's lazy. Let's do 1 second. So like sorry, for 1 second it doesn't. Let's do bulb mode. Yeah, bulb mode works. They have like the green speeds. I'm not sure how to go into them. Maybe it's on this kind of modes, I'm not sure. But anyways, let me try 1 second again. See if it really works. Yeah, it still doesn't close back down until I change the speed or cock it. But yeah, there you go. Zeiss Ikon Contina. Thanks.